I'm going to show you a really cool trailer. This is called an Elevation Model 5-101, and it's got a pretty cool floor plan. We'll call this unit number 1226. But this is a nice elevation. Take a walk around it. It's got a step down and a really nice floor plan. I was in this trailer a little bit ago and I found it quite impressive. It's a 2023 Elevation and it's dying for a new owner. I can tell you what MSRP is. I'll tell you right at the end, because I gotta walk up to my truck and get it. So heading on in, here's what we got. Check this out. Breakfast bar, sleeper sofa, feature wall, flat screen TV, stainless sink, ball bearing drawer guides, pull out sprayer, got a nice loft. We'll go up there in a minute. Stainless appliances, 5-burner range. I mean, this thing's cool. It's just in, so the bed's not put together. Hopefully I can light up the feature wall a little bit. Doggone it. I don't know how to tilt the drapes. Oh well. Oh yeah, they're easy. You just lift them up. Okay. How's that for a feature wall? Looks like a king bed. California king. Cabinetry with adjustable shelving. There's the flat screen. 55-inch. Lots of drawers here. I don't have a lot of experience with Elevation, but I can tell you they look awful good. There's another big tall closet. Definitely have adjustable shelving in them. Tried to show you as much as I can here. Here's the bathroom. Shower doors. It's definitely adequate. I like the sink. It's pretty modern. That is way more than a medicine cabinet. Check this shower out. It's like a one-piece fiberglass tub surround. It's got a headpan in it, so you get an extra, oh, it looks like a good 6 inches extra headroom in the shower. Glass doors I like. Them are cool. Let's see what it looks like in the fridge, just for fun. Okay. Looks like a normal fridge. Oops, I left the cabinet door open. Let's go up in the loft. Oh yeah. Nice big loft. Wow. Giant loft. And then you got your step down over there. So that's gonna give you an extra foot of headroom. Okay. There's the extra furniture. I see you can move them around. That's kind of nice. There's your entertainment center. Them definitely move. And that furniture there is meant to be downstairs. Okay, well, we'll head back downstairs, and I'll have to take a few pictures. It's kind of hard for an old guy like me to crawl around in these lofts, but they're manageable. Plank flooring, feature walls, stainless cabinetry, full extension, ball bearing drawer guides. Here's one of the adjustable shelves. It's out of whack, but it is definitely adjustable. Look at the flooring. That's nice. A lot of cabinets too. You can never have enough cabinets. Okay. Well, that concludes our video. Oh, I was going to get you the MSRP. Stick with me. I got quite a few other new trailers to show. Takes a long time to show them proper. But there's Canterbury's, there's Country Manners, and there's Elevation. Now this number 1226 is $100,000. That's the MSRP. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see, there's plenty more. There's one that just arrived today. We have Sierra destination trailers as well. But this was a 2023 Elevation. Have a great day.